installing Busybox without root, using Linux applications on your device, and compiling C code right from your Android device. It's all coming up right here on XDA Developer TV. Now, a lot of the times you want to extend the functionality of an Android device, and one of the best ways to do that is to leverage the open source capabilities that are already present in the ecosystem. So today what we're going to do is we're going to talk about how you can expand out the Linux capabilities by running Linux apps on your Android device. So let's get started.
Alright, so as you can see over here, I've got my device and it's connected up with the VNC connection, and you can see that window over here. So what we're going to do now is I've got the Busybox on my system, and you can get that from the link in the description down below. And what we're going to do is we're going to push that binary over. So we do an adb push /busybox, and we'll put that into /data/local/temp. Alright, now we want to do a adb shell, and we want to go to /data/local/temp. Now we can do a chmod, that's change mode, 777 /busybox. So next we can execute the busybox --install, and we'll put a /. Now if we do the ls, we can see that we've got all the Busybox tools installed right here. And if we wanted to open up vi, we say /vi, and we'll give it a file name. Alright, so here we are in the vi editor, and as you can see we are able to switch between the normal insert and replace modes. Let's get out of here. Alright, so now that we've got Busybox installed, we might need some more powerful applications. So let's go to the Play Store. Alright, now to extend out the capabilities of Linux just a little bit further than simply using Busybox and all the included standard Linux tools, you might want to get some packages, some bigger packages. So what we're going to do is we're going to install BotBrew Basil. So now in order to install BotBrew Basil completely, you have to do the bootstrap procedure, and that can take a minute. And we can grant it super user access. Alright, so my recording setup had a little glitch, and I ended up having to get rid of this window that was right there before. Nothing really major was lost. What I did was I showed how to apt-get inside of BotBrew, and the way that works is we do a su, and we can type BotBrew. And then finally, you can now, because you're inside of BotBrew, you can use the apt-get command. Now I've apt-get installed GCC and G++, and as you can see, they've already been upgraded. So what we can do now is we can use the vi /vi, and we can do a hello.cpp. And as you can see here, I've actually got a C program here, C++, that's ready to be made. So what we'll do now is we will hit escape, WQ to write and quit from vi, and now we can compile the program. And the way we do that is we type G++ /hello.cpp. And if it compiles correctly, there will be nothing returned. So now what we can do is we can type a.out, and it should return hello XDA developers. And there we have it. Now we've set up an Android device for use as a Linux development tool. And just to prove that this is actually running on this device, watch what happens as I pull the plug, and we drop back to the Linux shell that I'm running on my desktop here. Now, although I had a problem running VNC server at the same time as being connected to the device and being able to use the keyboard at the same time, we did a lot today. We got a lot done.
So that's all for this episode. Got any cool hacks? Use #HackOn. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and add me to your circles on Google+. Go to plus.AdamOutler.com. Until next time, hack on!